If you're a man over 30, I want to give you my simple salt ritual that may change your life. Let me start this way. You're probably not getting enough salt in your daily diet. Salt is not the enemy like, society would have you to believe. Salt is the original electrolyte, a mineral that's been keeping human biology alive since the dawn of time. Let me explain. So an electrolyte is a mineral that carries an electric charge. When dissolved in water, it helps your body to conduct electrical signals, essential electrical signals. These minerals, like you have sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, are critical for hydration, nerve function, muscle contractions, and cellular energy. And without balanced electrolytes, your cells cannot communicate or function properly. Your brain can't communicate with your cells. And this is especially in the more sensitive tissue areas like the prostate gland. Now, I'm not talking about the bleached, processed table salt you get for 99 cents at the dollar store. I'm talking about real salt, mineral-rich, unrefined. The stuff, the good stuff, not the junky stuff, right? And the thing is, most men are not even aware that they're sodium deficient. I'm not talking about the salt in your hamburgers from the fast food joint. I'm talking about minerals that you need. Salt supports major functions in your body, adrenal function, which keeps your testosterone balanced. Salt helps you to regulate hydration inside of your cells. You need salt to create stomach acid for nutrient absorption, breaking down your food. Salt plays a major role in reducing inflammation all over your body, including your prostate. And if you're on my page for a while, you already know chronic inflammation is probably the most important root cause of enlarged prostate, prostatitis, and even low libido. Because when your body is mineral deficient and dehydrated at a cellular level, the prostate tissue becomes swollen, acidic, and very slow to detox. Doesn't matter what compounds and vitamins and stuff you're taking, okay? Your body needs salt so it can detox properly. You have the Himalayan salt, the pink salt, you have Celtic sea salt. These salts draw water into your cells, oxygenate your tissues, and lowers systemic inflammation naturally. I want you to try this consistently in the mornings. A quarter teaspoon of Celtic salt or Himalayan salt mixed in with 16 ounces of warm water, filtered water, spring water, and drink that in the mornings. You may do it after your lemon juice water or before your lemon juice water. This will help you to recharge your nervous system, support your hormones, and prep your body and your prostate for healing. And remember, use the quality salt, Celtic sea salt, or my personal favorite, Himalayan pink salt. There's something called Redmond real salt as well. Throw out any of that table salt that's chemically bleached and stripped of its life force, right? It's not helping you. And let's get some electrolytes in your life. Share this video with a brother who needs to hear about the importance of salt.